Okay.
Yeah. So the tablet, I would say, is probably the easiest. They just need to sit down and just put it on their lap.
Okay.
Yeah. Or they can put it here. Better to put it here.
Because then it's got more.
Yeah, they put it here. It's easier to play and it's at an angle than the hand. It's more natural, I guess. Here, you have to lean forward a little bit.
Right.
Yeah. Or they can just put it here.
So it's basically where it's comfortable now.
Yeah, yes. Then they just.
But here, then you have it's not. Basic rock beat.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so, but the hand needs to be cupped how, like that. A little bit, like that.
Kind of like that. Actually, you bend your legs a little bit more. Your knees. Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah.
Okay then.
Yeah. Then just.
First, there's the basic technique of holding the flirt on there.
Yeah. Or you can just.
Like that.
Yeah, that works.
And use
Usually, for the tablet, just need to hit the top,
The top there.
1/3. Actually, same with a cajon, you only need to hit the top 1/3.
I didn't know that. Okay.
You don't have to hit. You see, like you hit low,
Okay.
the bass doesn't.
Oh wow.
Right?
Okay, because I always thought the bottom hand is where you have the
Nope.
boom.
Like, nope. Yeah.
Okay, so how
Don't
do you
believe
get
all
this?
the things you see on MTV. You know, they're like,
Yeah, exactly.
oh, other guy.
That's like,
But the soundtrack is playing in the background.
Okay.
They don't really make the sound.
okay, so then if it's all here, how do you get the difference between the
Bass
the bass and the snare?
For the tablet, is the bass is in the middle, then the snare is at the side.
But my sound not so nice.
Technique. So yeah.
So must be flat.
Yeah, flat, and then you use your wrist.
Like that.
Yep.
Okay, so that's for the bass.
Yeah, for the bass.
Then
yeah.
for the snare?
Then for the snare, actually, the tablet you only need to move to the side, so you don't need to like hit here. You just kind of move your hand from here.
Then you use
No,
both hands?
then you move your hand just here. You don't
Okay.
move like that. Yep.
Like that?
Yeah. You get the snare, and then. So you can use two hands, and you can one hand.
Okay. Very nice, right?